Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to add the BeReal widget on your device home screen. So if you use the Android device or iOS one, that doesn't matter. To add the widget, you should hold for a while with your finger to the you should hold the screen, and then here on the left upper click to plus icon to add the widget. On Android device you will see the widgets icon and just click to the icon. After that, just here you will see all of the available applications which widgets we can add. Find here from this list of the application BeReal App, and we can set just this widget. Just to add it, click to add widget on the iOS device, or an Android device you should just hold the widget and drag it by this way to the home screen. After that, click to done. I think this is the emoji from the BeReal reaction from someone in BeReal App. So after that you'll see this widget here on your home screen. If you wanna move this widget just on the screen or between the screens, or just if you wanna create the new screens with the widget, you should just hold it and just drag it to the left or to the right side of the screen. And just to remove it from the home screen, you should hold it and just tap to remove widget. After that, confirm your action by click to remove, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.